वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हाज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. आनी आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता खोडपी कुल्ल्यांचे शाकुती कोडी. ओके, खोडपी इज लायक यू गेट इट रॉक crabs. Okay, they are not sea crab, they are the rock crabs, and you get it's seasonal again. So this is 1 kg of खोडपी कुल्लीज. ओके, सो सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हाज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. आनी आयज हांव दाखयता आमचे कुल्ल्यांची शाकुती आनी खोडप्यो कुल्ल्यो ह्यो तेजी शाकुती. तो हे 1 kg आसा. आणि शाकुतीची मसालो आणि शाकुतीचो हे सगळें हांव तुमकां डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्सान घालतली. तुमी मातशें पळयात मसालो काडपाचो आनी कशें कितें करपाचें पळय तें. ओके, सो हे 1 किलोक आतां हांवें एका धुला आनी बरें मातशें मीठ लायलां. सुबेज न्हू मीठ लायलां आनी दवरलेलें. मागीर आमकां जाय एक वद्द्या नाल्लाचें iron, that is Xacuti Masala. Okay, so I've taken half coconut and I've made the Xacuti Masala. So for half coconut I have used 2 tablespoons of Xacuti Masala. Okay, so I've taken this, I have added roasted the coconut, added 2 tablespoons of Xacuti Masala, and I have added and I grinded it with tamarind, 1 ball of tamarind. That's it, with water. So this is my Xacuti Masala. So this is after grinding a fine paste. Then this is for tadka. I'll be using, this is 1 inch of ginger finely chopped. This is whole pod of 1 pod of garlic, and this is like 1 chili, big chili. It is 1 chili like this. Then this is 1 big onion. That's why it is like this. This is 1 big onion. Then in this shakuti there is a twist. I'll be adding this mula, that is a white radish, to give an extra taste. So let's start. Let's fry this onion. Then also you must be seeing this. This is like coconut juice I have taken. So this is optional. So this is half cup of thick coconut juice, but it is optional. So here are some curry leaves. I'll be adding this now to this. And we'll add this all 3 and fry. Fry this nicely. Now we'll add an onion. Try this. So now we'll add our mulas to this. and a little bit of salt, not lots but little bit of salt. And we'll add turmeric powder to this. So half teaspoon of turmeric powder to this. Mix this all nicely and we'll cook this for few minutes. See, we have radish wala salad also, so you don't have to cook this very much. Crunchy is also nice. So हे मुळ्यांक आमकां सुबेज शिजोवपाची गरज ना. आता एका आमी धांकुया आनी आमी हेका आतां मातशें शिजोवन घेवया. So now here it is. It's nicely. This now we'll add our crabs in this. Kullu galiya tha. Crabs doesn't take much time to get cooked. So now here it is. लाईट गेली, हिंगा पावस पडटा, वारो येता, झोड येता आनी सब करून लाईट गेली. आता आनी इमर्जन्सी लाईट घातल्या. And in this I will put now our masala. Please check the description box of this video. I will be putting all the Xacutis masala from where you can buy the ingredients and all types of Xacutis you can go through. तर हांव म्हणटाली इंग्लिशीन की हांव सगल्यांक लागून हें घालतली आमचो लिंक घालतली डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्सान शाकुती मसाल्याचे. Now we'll check the salt because we have put for mulas also and for this also. Water very less, okay. उदक हांव एकदम उणें घालतली हितून. हाफ कप आणि एका मातशें शिजोवन घेवया. मीठ चेक करुया आणि मीठ घालुया. सो वील हॅव टू चेक द सॉल्ट and accordingly we will add salt to taste. So we have to add little salt, very little salt, but it depends upon your taste. So let's cover this and cook for 5 minutes. So now we'll add our coconut juice to this. So this is optional part. So this is like rosachi kori, you can say. And with mulas, wow. So this is, so I'll just give one boil and our Xacuti is done. Okay, just one boil and our Xacuti is done. By evening, no? If I keep this now and by evening it is going to be superb. सदांच कुल्ली कोडी करता जाल्यार न्हू पयली करची आनी दोतची सान म्हटल्यार तेजी आनीक टेस्ट वाडटा तेजो कलरूय चेंज जातलो ओके सो माय शाकुती this गोवन खोडप्यो कुल्ल्यांची शाकुती इज रेडी आनी बरी रोस घालून बरो शाकुती मसाला घालून आणि मुये घालून आमची कुल्ल्यांची खोडप्यो कुल्ल्यांची कोडी तयार आसा आमी आतां जेवण जेयतली एन्जॉय करतली तुमी पूण करात तुमी पूण एन्जॉय करात ही रेसिपी You all also cook and enjoy this recipe in your home from my kitchen to your kitchen. Thank you so much. देव बरें करूं तुमकां.